All right, hello Belton Middle School students. It's Mrs. Newman in the Library Media Center. I want to show you how to locate books through our online catalog called Destiny Discover, and how to put those books on hold so that I can get them in the library and bring them to you in class. So in order to get to Destiny Discover, you're going to have to get to the library's website. So starting out at beltonschools.org, you're going to go up here to our schools and you're going to go to Belton Middle School. Once that page loads, you'll scroll down to the button that says Students. Click on that and you'll see there's a link to the library. This is going to bring you to my library website, which is where I put a bunch of information, so you should check it out for all those reasons too. However, today I'm going to show you that if you want to get to Destiny Discover, you just come down here to Quick Links, and this one that says Library Catalog is the one you want. When it opens, it's going to open Destiny Discover. Now you'll notice that it automatically keeps me logged in, but you are probably going to have to log in. In fact, I'm going to log out so that I can log in as a student. So I'm going to log in as a student so you can see what that should look like. Alright, so the first thing that you will notice is that there's recently added books to the library that show up here at the top. The cool thing about Destiny Discover is that they show you the fronts of books so that you can, judge a book by the cover. We always tell you not to, but it is something that I know lots of students do. So you can browse that way, or you can browse by different topics. So I've got some listed here for you. So if you're really into fantasy genre, you can click that. If you like to read sports fiction, you can click there. There's a whole bunch of them here, so you can look through that way as well. You can also just simply search. So if there's a genre that's not down here that you like, for example, for my girls and guys that like romance fiction, if I type that in, then it's going to come up and show all of the books that would be in that genre. Now you'll notice that some of them say out, which means that they're already checked out. That doesn't keep you though from placing one on hold. So if I still wanted to check this out and I wanted to be in line for it, then I would just press the hold button, and that's going to send a message to me in the library to know that when that book comes in, if you are next on the list, I need to get it to you. Anything with the green in means that it's ready to go right then and there. So if you wanted the rules for breaking, you could press hold, and that would mean that I am going to be able to get that book for you right away. If you want to know more about it besides just what you see here, if you click on it or the picture of the book, it'll pop up with more information. So it'll give you a little blurb about it, give you some information on the interest level, how many pages it is, and then you have a little bit more to go on. Over here on the left-hand side, there are some filters that you can use. So you can filter things by genres. You can filter them by subject. If there's a particular author that you like, or if you know your reading level or interest level or Lexile, those are all options. So that's a good way to figure out what we have in our library and place things on hold.